Hi everybody, this is Ravi Kumar, Director, Center of Excellence, Battery Engineering, Atria University in Bangalore. This is India's first liberal STEM university, and the management is focused on the futuristic technologies, and out of it, one such is the battery engineering. This university is a part of Atria group, which is mainly into the industry, and it has set up Center of Excellences and in the futuristic technologies, and one such is this battery lab. So this lab, apart from student engagement for courses like eMobility, energy sciences, has also research facilities and also service to industry in this ecosystem. Coming to the facilities in the lab, we have state-of-art equipment right from synthesis of battery material till prototyping of cells and getting them tested as per the specifications given by the customer. The various equipment which are state-of-art equipment in the lab is mainly furnaces, namely muffle furnace, vacuum ovens, tube furnace, etc., and ultrasonic mixing, solute solvent centrifuge, ball mills for the required grid size, a glove box for 2 people to work at a time, and cyclers which range from coin cell testing till 30 amp with features of temperature data logging at higher C rate, whatever you require. So we have a team of research scientists who are mainly into research of ion batteries, mainly on non-lithium technologies and supercapacitors, right from material research. We have some high-end paper publications in this context. Our lab also has some research collaborations with few automobile companies where we rip open the existing cell, wherever it could be pouch or a prismatic or a cylindrical cell, and we make half cells with our coating techniques, analyze and if needed characterize for your requirements. We provide you with the full data analysis and had been doing this for a couple of automobile companies apart from cycling your cells at different C rates as per your application protocol. In this context, we also collaborate with universities abroad for research works, and the latest development is a unique solid state battery which is non-lithium based and is an ion battery which we would be rolling out the prototype shortly. The university also can help PhD students from various educational institutes who are welcome for their research work leading to publication for their academic work in our facility. So all the students can use our facility, and one unique feature of this lab is we also support the startups, especially in the green hydrogen ecosystem, and one such is the separation of hydrogen and sulfides from industrial waste, where a startup from IIT Roorkee is doing in our facility. So I request you are all welcome to use these facilities. Thank you once again. You can contact all the details given below.